Odd noises in the woods. I live in a relatively secluded area, with about 2 or 3 miles between me and any other signs of life or humanity. Being surrounded by the woods, I naturally end up paranoid at night, and even sometimes during the day when it's oddly quiet, and the atmosphere is at its most tense. One night, I decided to sit out on the back porch as my dog wanted to play and refused to come back inside. After a couple hours, my dog decided the best place to play would be in the woods. Being as tired as I was by this point, it being 1 a.m. and all, I didn't notice that my dog had gone into the woods for a good 10 or 15 minutes, as I could still hear her from my chair. When I heard her stop barking, I decided to head over to the edge of the forest, woods, whatever you want to call them, and call out for her. I heard her come running out of the woods, barking as she came towards me. I noticed it was dead quiet, and so I turned around, about to head back inside, when I saw my dog desperately clawing at the door, as if afraid of something. It was at this moment I turned back around, my blood running cold, only to realize something had been imitating my dog in an attempt to lure me into the woods. After realizing I had figured it out, the creature let out its real voice, a horrid, deafening screech that sounded like it was straight from the pits of hell. Somehow deep as a tuba and high as a flute at the same time. Hearing this, I ran back inside, locked the door and headed to bed, hoping to sleep the nightmare away. Me and my dog were scared stiff as we heard the thing pounding the door for what felt like days. After it stopped, we looked out the window, only to see the creature run back into the woods. I've upgraded my locks to bars of wood. I was hoping it would never come back, but I can hear my dog barking again, and she's sitting right next to me. See you in the morning, everyone.